What's up, Captain Alfonso here from Atlantic Marine, and today we're in a very special boat. This is a 26-foot Mako that we completely restored. Come check this out. So right now we're in the bow of this beautiful 26-foot Mako, and as you can tell, it has an upgraded sound system. These are the Wet Sounds Zeros, and this comes equipped with 6 6.5s, 4 8s, 2 subs, 2 8-inch towers, and another tower system which called 4 10s. Also comes powered with 2 10-inch subs and syndicate amps. Right now we're in the main console of this beautiful Mako, and as you can see, we installed twin Garmin's 1243, the SMG 4 gauges, a Fusion radio, brand new rocker switches. We got the Bennett trim tabs and the Suzuki rigging, which includes the control, the push start, the key switch, and the SMG 4 gauges. We also installed this beautiful phone charger, which is universal for all phones. The acrylic panel was also done in-house, and we do custom acrylic as well. This beautiful bad boy is also powered with twin 200 Suzukis. We installed C-Star steering and added the power assist, so it makes it effortless to turn these motors. Right now this boat's cruising at 40 miles an hour, top speed is 50, so it's a really nice ride. This customer already took this boat to Bimini and he just came back to do the service. Another cool upgrade the customer decided to do on this Mako was add a night vision camera by Sionyx. So right now you see the lights are on, but as soon as he turns them off, it's gonna be pitch black, but no worries. The Sionyx night vision, it basically looks like it's daytime. Complete wiring on this boat was done by the great team at Atlantic Marine store. Freddie was in charge of that job. So if you just need to repower your boat or completely do your boat from start to finish, give us a call, 305-826-2202, and repower your boat the correct way, Atlantic Marine.